Hey, how's it going, ladies and gentlemen? So you guys probably know me as the go-to guy when it comes to weight loss and things like that. But today I want to talk to you guys about something as well. Today I had an incident with the police. The police entered my house today without my permission. The police entered my house and they had guns drawn. And if I was to stop this story right now, it would lead to a lot of misinformation. Stay with me now. So the police were in my house today with their guns drawn without my permission, but I wasn't even here. What happened was I had walked out and left the door unlocked, didn't set the alarm, or I set the alarm and didn't unset the alarm, forgot to turn it off. I left the house, so the police came and they were in my house, and they walked right through the front door because it was left unlocked. And one of the police was telling me that he went into my bathroom and this was a bathroom that had some things stored in there, and there was a hat that had fallen down, so it looked on the side of the tub like someone was trying to hide in the tub. So the police pulled his gun out thinking someone was in the house, trying to, like rob the house or something. So if I had to stop that story in the very beginning after just telling you that the police were in my house with their guns drawn, that would lead to a lot of misinformation. And that's what you guys are getting every single day when it comes to weight loss. And practically it's getting tiring. It's getting, like over the top. They're telling you you shouldn't eat this, you shouldn't eat that, and they're telling you what you should eat, but it's things that actually are putting you guys further back. They're telling you, oh, oatmeal and bananas are great, or have fruits. We're not telling you what fruits you should be having. They're not telling you that there's some fruits that literally have just as much sugar as a candy bar in it. And the misinformation that they're giving you is keeping you guys trapped when it comes to weight loss. And practically it's bullshit. In America, like, we are the most obese country now, and it's like because of all the misinformation that we have, all these gadgets that are popping up, telling you, oh, 5 minute workout and you lose your stomach, 5 minute this, 5 minute that. It doesn't happen in 5 minutes, and it's deeper than just working out, and that's what they're not telling you. If you are really serious of the bullshit and you really want to know how to get weight off once and for all, check out the free masterclass below. Click on the link, check out the class. I'm going to take you guys through a lot of the misinformation that had been spoon-fed to you for years. So go ahead, check that out. If you guys got questions, always shoot me a message. If you really are serious about changing it, hop on the call with me. We'll talk through it and figure out, how to get you stuck from where you are now to where you want to go. But first, please watch the masterclass before you set up any calls with me. I get emails, texts, all the time about helping people out. Some people just are really not looking to really change it. They're just looking for that next band-aid. If you're looking for a band-aid, you're looking for just another quick diet to help you lose 5 or 10 pounds just to put on 20 or 30 more 6 months from now, don't waste my time. All right. I try to be very straight up, very forward when it comes to this because it's an epidemic. And if you are at that point where your weight is seriously becoming a problem with your life, then reach out to me. But first, watch the masterclass because I give you tons of information, things that you can automatically go like today and start implementing to change your damn life. So watch it, use what I tell you to do, okay? And again, if you guys are really at a point that you really want to go further than just watching this, if you want to go further than just asking a question or two, hop on a call with me and I will help you get this weight off once and for all right? So you guys have an absolutely wonderful day. Talk to you soon.